The bird's the word, boys!
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh my god.
I saw that episode last night again, man. What a gem. It's stuck in my head like crazy, though. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey, man, you guys see a little something different type of style video than we usually do. I'll be looking. If you guys dig that, leave a comment down below and thumbs up. That'd be dope. Try to get a little bit away from the jewelry and do what I really want to do, which is random unboxings. You know what I mean? That'd be sick. Thank you guys so much. We're sitting in a new location because we're never doing unboxings that are like mysteries like this. So like, I don't know, what have we bought? Oh crap. Freaking candles that might come with a real diamond ring or little chunks of sand that you break open to hopefully find gold. We always sit here and do these videos, so I thought I'd get in that mindset and chill here again.
Chill out, bro.
Anyway, boys, appreciate you guys so much for that support. Real quick, if you guys haven't bought your mystery boxes with the link down below, ours, NameBranFam.com, bro, that would be sick. Now let's get to the coolest part first. Somebody who buys a mystery box is going to get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, you choose. One of you guys will get that. But what's in the actual mystery box, bro? Well, when you hopefully buy one for $24.99 on the website down below, it's gonna come with a random name brand t-shirt. I sat down with the graphic design and we made some really cool products. Each box will also come with a chain and a little like a sticker pack, which is sick. This is one of our logos here and the other one is on my phone right there. I think this is so sick. But boys, if you've already purchased a mystery box, I feel like I haven't been clear on this, and didn't find a PS5 in your box, it ships separately. So everyone that's already bought, you still might get it, bro. What we're gonna do is just like pick a random number, and whatever that number is that connects to the order, that's who's gonna get a freaking game system. Anyway, link is down below, boys. Appreciate you guys so much. Money helps. All that money goes back into videos. I'm stoked for this video, man. I haven't been stoked for a video like this in a while. We gotta do more of these.
You like guacamole?
Look at his face right now. This is the face of a winner! Because I'm hopefully gonna get something sick. What we have right here is kind of like a packet. I don't know, I didn't think about how to even say what this is. Okay, it's like, so I bought these for 15 bucks. For 15 bucks, apparently, you're gonna get like a little pack, like a pack of cards. And in each $15 pack, apparently, you're gonna find like a gift card or something like that. Now here's the catch. The gift card could have like $0 on it. It could probably have like $10 or $20, or it could have up to hundreds of dollars on these gift cards. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I bought it. I think you could probably figure it out, but I don't really promote this. I thought it'd be a fun idea, but honestly, bro, if you have $15 to spend, maybe just like go buy the gift card and not take a chance. It's like when I buy basketball cards, bro. I don't open up packs anymore. I just buy the card I want. You know what I mean? I save for it. Like this one, I have it out right now because I was just looking at it. My freaking prized possession. Like this one, bro. I could have spent so much money trying to hunt this thing down, but I just bought it because that's the card I wanted in the set. The LeBron James 2003 rookie card. Yeah! Anyway, spend your money wisely, boys. I don't promote this whatsoever, but I thought it'd be a fun video idea. Without further ado, I bought 2 packs. I thought I bought more, and to be honest, I already opened it up because I thought it was a basketball card, and then I saw and I was like, no, this is for a video, but I haven't looked what's in these yet. So I bought 2, and I guess we're $30 down. Let's see what we can get in terms of like gift cards. And one thing too, I was just thinking like, because I don't live in America, if it's like an American food place that I like can't go to or something, because I feel like I'm not going to be going down there anytime soon, I'll just like give it to one of you guys, like the code. Go buy yourself something nice, bro. And if we do get something sick and I can use it online, we're gonna go shopping later and spend it. So I don't know, we got something going on in this video. Without further ado, boys, we got 2 of these right here. I hope they actually put them in like trading card packages, you know what I mean, for the thumbnail, but it looks like it's just this. Without further ado, boys, let's get into them. We're 30 bucks down. Let's go buy something nice, hopefully. Once again, I don't promote this. It's a fun little treat, you know what I mean? Please like these videos. Also, this does sound like a major scam. You freaking knows, boys. Anyway, let's get into the first one right now. I'm stoked. I haven't seen gift cards in a while. I'm too old for like getting Christmas presents like that, you know what I mean? I don't know the last time I had a gift card. I don't even think I know how to use them anymore. God damn, bro. Oh, I feel like there's gonna be kids watching this video. I'm not trying to swear for y'all. Just stick it like a madman. Okay, okay. All right, so the first one here, it looks like we got a gift card and we got paper around it. The first one we got, boys, 15 bucks right here. I wish I bought more. I totally thought I bought more. What do we got, bro? We got a barcode. Do I gotta be careful in showing this stuff? I don't know how that works. Boys, you see it first. Is that Amazon? Yahoo! That's Amazon! I shop Amazon all the time. How much is it for? Bro, it doesn't say. Okay, so it doesn't say what it's for. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't freaking, I guess we'll open them all. Okay, so it just came with 1. Damn it. This could be like 300 bucks. We never know. I guess you go online and like redeem it somehow, and then we'll do that after. Let's open up the other one. First off, Amazon gift card. If it has more than 15 bucks, we're good. All right, next. Why did we get 2? I don't know why. We should have got like 10. Apparently, I was actually feeling good with money that day. All right, next. I feel a gift card in this one too. Oh, there's 2! It just exploded on my face. Pause. Kind of got in my mouth a little bit. Hit my lip. Pause again. This makes me want to freaking buy basketball packs again. It's like it's the fun of like not knowing. I don't promote that, but also I have been wanting to ask you guys if I bought like, cause there's expensive basketball packs, like $700 just one pack type of stuff. Do you guys want me to buy like a really expensive pack one time and open it up on camera? Leave a comment down below about it, yes or no, if you want to see it. One of you guys, just to like say you comment this, because I really want to do it. I want to see if you guys will be down. I'll follow back on Instagram. I don't know if that's sick, but like I'm verified, so that might be kind of cool, dude. I don't freaking know, but I'm verified, bro. First one, I see a barcode again. I don't know if I'm supposed to hide this. What do we got? You're looking on the eBay. Woohoo! I buy all my basketball cards on eBay. I hope this is loaded. Oh my god. Okay, and then we also got one more in this pack. I didn't know they were gonna come with more than one. I wasn't sure. I really didn't read anything about it. Boys, I could see what it is on the back. iTunes gift card. Now, I'm not too stoked yet because none of these say how much they're worth. Also, I don't even know how you use these nowadays. Don't you just get music for free off of like iTunes or something? How does that work? I don't know. I don't know what the hell you do with this. But I'm stoked for these. I'm gonna take a little bit to research and figure out how much is actually on these, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Then hopefully you can go shopping. Like if any of these have, like we can go shopping online for any of these actually. Let's go! Yes, 30 bucks down. Let's see what's up. I'm gonna be back in a little bit. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with these. Alright boys, I just checked this. This one's got $10 on it. I don't know what the hell I'm probably just gonna give them to my girlfriend. We could watch a movie. I was kind of searching out for what to buy on Apple, so I think you can buy movies. Might do that. That's alright. 10 bucks. I'm gonna check out this one now. $5 down on this pack. Let's check the eBay. I'm really hoping for this one. Bad news bears on this one, bro. There's $0 on it. This is the one I really, Amazon's sick, but there's $0 on this. I was really hoping it'd be like a couple $100. I'd be like, I bought a basketball card for this. I wanted to go shopping for basketball cards this video or something on eBay. Bad, 0. This pack, not worth it. None of this is worth it. Don't do it, boys. I should have just got a freaking eBay card for 30 bucks and gave myself an excuse to get another basketball card. All right, we got the last one, Amazon. Still sick. Let's check it out, bro. Freaking sweating, man. This is sketchy business. This could be could lose some money on this, bro. We're used to it. I suck. I don't buy anything smart. Is what I was trying to do. Boys, we got a little money on this. We've spent 15 bucks on this pack. Guess how much? Leave comments down below. If you get it right, you're not gonna get, I was gonna say if you get it right, you might get this, but we're gonna go shopping with this in a sec. Comments are made. Boys, 25 bucks. Which is math, I didn't even do this yet. 25 plus 10, that's 35. Wait, 25 plus, that's 35. Woohoo! We won! We didn't win though, because we still spent money on crap. 25 bucks on this. Not too bad, don't do this, but I think this is fun. If you guys want more videos like this, leave me comments and really message me down below of like what we should get buying, because I need some ideas with like things that revolve around mystery. They're too fun, bro. You can tell I dig this stuff. Without further ado, I'm gonna give this to my girlfriend, and I'm going to use this on Amazon. I don't know what we could buy for 20 bucks, but here's the challenge. 25, sorry, my bad. Alright boys, so we're all logged in. That was so much fun, by the way. I was just setting this up. I was like, bro, we gotta do so many. Please let me know down below what we can open up next. Can't speak. But I also didn't think about let's search basketball. I doubt there's basketball cards. If you guys can't tell, I'm a little addicted to them right now. Of course, that would come up. Cards, bro, cards. I think we could, goddamn, sorry, my bad. I think that we could do some real cool, see, $2.29. This stuff is massively expensive. That's like the worst packs you can get too. The best rookie of the season is like not even that much money. That's why you just buy it. Anyway, I think I can make this type of thing fun for you guys. Even if you don't care, we can open up expensive packs and I can just like put up on the screen how much it's worth, like each card, and if we made money back or if I'm selling them or what. I thought that'd be fun as all hell. Okay, I want that so bad. I love this pack. This is so overpriced, bro. You get 20 cards for 119. I don't want any of that. I do need, I don't know. This is my go-to, XXX Tentacion. It's something sick for the room. I spelled that wrong, my bad. Whoa, that's sick. See, you get a cheap poster on Amazon, bro, and all of a sudden, oh my God, that's sick. All you gotta do is buy a freaking sweet poster on Amazon, frame it with a cheap frame on Amazon. That thing will look sick for like 50 bucks tops. Anyway, my girlfriend's actually been talking about, I just thought of this now, about sprinklers, bro. I know this isn't as fun, but I'm tired of holding the damn hose while like on the lawn, you know what I mean? And she wants a sprinkler, so I'm just gonna look for a sprinkler real quick. They're, oh, damn! I thought these things were about to be $100 each. Oh, here's a video.
Keep your garden green and your lawn looking lush and beautiful with the indestructible
Don't care.
metal-based oscillating sprinkler from Aqua Joe.
Sold, sold. Indestructible, they say. We'll test that one. Also, I step on everything and break everything. Add to cart. Boys, that's what I'm buying. That was a lot faster than I thought, but I think Sarah will really like this. And it comes Saturday, June 3rd, which is freaking like tomorrow. How do they do that? Appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna check out and put in my little code here, and we'll all be good. Thank you guys so much. More videos like this coming real soon. I think we really have to make more. Also, mystery boxes once again, and I dig the new vibe that I want with this channel, bro. Still jewelry, but also just like a lot of random stuff that like mystery stuff. This is my favorite thing to do. That's all I can say. Appreciate y'all. You mark it. Blow.